Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to see properties of addition in class 3. We know that addition is one of the mathematical operations on numbers. Let us go into the details of this video now. In the properties of addition, we will be seeing the order property, zero property, and grouping property. Let us first take a look at the order property. What do you mean by order property? Two numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. Let us understand this property with the help of an example. Here we have two 4-digit numbers 1276 and 8512. We are going to add these two 4-digit numbers. So first write down the place values and begin the addition from the ones place. 6 plus 2 will give you 8. 7 plus 1 will give you 8. 2 plus 5 will give you 7. And 1 plus 8 will give you 9. We know that when 1 is added to any number or any number is added to 1, we always get the next number. So in this case, when 1 is added to 8, you get the next number of 8, which is 9. This is one of the properties of addition. You must have learned this in your lower classes. I have dealt with the properties of addition in a separate video, link to which is given below in the description box and also in the iCard section. Now, coming to this property, two numbers can be added in any order. Now, we have added 1276 plus 8512. Now, let us try adding 8512 plus 1276. Let us see if we are going to get the same answer. Now, write down the place values and begin the addition from the ones place. 2 plus 6 will give you 8. Next, coming to the tens place, 1 plus 7 will give you 8. Next, move on to the hundreds place. 5 plus 2 will give you 7. And then coming to the thousands place, you will get 8 plus 1 to be 9. So the sum of the two 4-digit numbers 8512 plus 1276 will give you the same answer 9788. Let us do another example to understand this property better. Here we have 2059 plus 6410. First write down the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place. Begin the addition from the ones place. 9 plus 0 will give you 9. 5 plus 1 in the tens place will give you 6. Next in the hundreds place we have 0 plus 4 which will give you 4. And then in the thousands place we have 2 plus 6 which will give you the answer 8. So the sum of the two 4-digit numbers 2059 plus 6410 will give you the answer 8469. Now, to verify this property, let us try adding the numbers in the other order. Like we'll have to first add 6410 plus 2059 now. So as usual, write down the place values and begin the addition from the ones place. 0 plus 9 will give you 9. 1 plus 5 will give 6. Next in the hundreds place we have 4 plus 0 which will give 4. And then in the thousands place we have 6 plus 2 which will give you the answer 8. So the sum of the two 4-digit numbers when written in the reverse order, you get the same answer 8469. To make it more understandable, let me give you a practical example. Suppose in a school there are 2059 boys and 6410 girls, then the total number of students in the school will be 8469. Suppose you add the girls first and then the number of boys next, then the answer is going to remain the same. So this verifies the first property, which is the order property of addition. Two numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. Let us understand the next property of addition, which is the zero property. I have dealt with the concept of zero in a separate video, link to which is given below in the description box and also in the iCard section. Let us understand the property of zero. When zero is added to a number or when a number is added to zero, the sum is the number itself. Let us take the example of this. We have a 4-digit number 3462 plus 0. The answer will be 2 plus 0 will give you 2 and the remaining numbers are going to remain the same. So 3462 plus 0, which has to be written in the ones place obviously because it is a single digit number, it will give you the same answer. Suppose you add 0 plus a 4-digit number 2059, then also you will get the same answer 2059. To make it more understandable, let me give you an example. In a basket, there are 3462 oranges. In another basket, there are no oranges or the basket is empty. Empty is represented by a 0. When you are asked to count the total number of oranges in both the baskets, the answer will be the same number 3462. Hope it is clear. Next, we are going to learn the next property of addition, which is called the grouping property. Before that, I am happy that you are watching my video. If you like the content of my video, please do hit the subscribe button as it definitely motivates me and adds value to my channel. Do not forget to tap on the bell button and choose the all option to get regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. Let us learn the next property of addition, the grouping property. Three numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. Let us understand this property with the help of an example. Here we have three 4-digit numbers 2436 plus 4512 plus 3051. First, write down the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. We have learnt in the lower classes that when we add three numbers, first we will add the first two number and to the sum of the first two number we will add the third number. So let us do the same method now. Start the addition from the ones place. 6 plus 2 will give you 8. 8 plus 1 will give you 9. Next move on to the tens place. 3 plus 1 will give you 4 and 4 plus 5 will give you 9. Next move on to the hundreds place. 4 plus 5 will give you 9 and 9 plus 0 will give you 9. Next, coming to the thousands place, you have 2 plus 4 which will give you 6 and 6 plus 3 will give you 9. So the sum of the three 4-digit numbers 2436 plus 4512 plus 3051 will give you the answer 9999. Now let us come to this property which states that three numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. Now let us rearrange the order. So now we are going to first add 4512 plus 2436 and then add 3051. Same way, write down the place values and begin the addition from the ones place. 2 plus 6 will give you 8. 8 plus 1 will give you 9. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. 4 plus 5 will give you 9. Coming to hundreds place, 5 plus 4 will give you 9 and 9 plus 0 will give you again 9. Coming to the thousands place, you have 4 plus 2 which will give you 6 and 6 plus 3 will give you 9. So the sum of the three numbers in the order is changed, still remains the same 9,999. Let us try another order now. First, we are going to add 3051 with 4512 and then add 2436. Write down the place values and begin the addition from the ones place. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is again 9 in the tens place. Next in the hundreds place, 0 plus 5 will give you 5 and 5 plus 4 will give you 9. Next moving on to the thousands place, it is 3 plus 4 which will give you 7 and 7 plus 2 which will make 9. So the sum of the three 4-digit numbers will give you the same answer 9,999 when written in any order. This is the third property of addition. Let us see another example to understand this concept better. Add 3,118 plus 261 plus 2,120. First, let us begin by writing the 4-digit number 3,108. Here we have two 4-digit numbers and one 3-digit number. So it is always the best practice to write down the place values first so that you can write down the remaining numbers vertically in their respective positions. Next, write down 261 and 2,120. Begin the addition from the ones place. 8 plus 1 is 9, 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. And coming to thousands place, 3 plus 2 is 5. So the sum of the three numbers will give you the answer 5,499. Now let us rearrange the order by writing 261 first. Write down the place values and write down the remaining numbers. In ones place you get 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 8 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9 in the tens place. In hundreds place, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Moving to the thousands place, 2 plus 3 will give you 5. So the sum of the three numbers written in a different order is going to give you the same answer 5,499. Let us try with another order, writing 2,120 in the first. Next, write down the remaining numbers. Begin the addition from ones place. 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. Finally, in the thousands place, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, the property of addition is verified that when three numbers written in any order, their sum will give you the same answer. Dear viewers, these are the learning outcome in class 3 for the children under the topic addition, of which we have covered these topics in our previous videos. And in this video, we have covered properties of addition. All these topics are in separate videos and links to all the relevant videos are given below in the description box. Dear viewers, if you like my video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And do provide your comments in the comment section. It definitely motivates me if I get a positive comment, and if you give a negative comment, I assure to improve on the quality. Thank you for watching my video. See you again.